Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a poster design using Canva. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this modern home interior design. We're going to flip it horizontally and we're going to select the three dots, set image as background. Now we're going to go to mockups. So we're going to go to apps and then we're going to go to mockups. We're going to go to smartphones. We're going to select this one. And we're going to adjust the size a bit. Now we're going to go back to elements. We're going to select this desert. We're going to add it to the mockup. Now we're going to double click on the mockup. We're going to select fill. We're going to adjust it however we want. Then we're going to apply changes. Okay, so now we're going to move it to this corner. We're going to select this female. So it is an excited, attractive woman. So we're going to select her, edit image. Now we're going to go to magic grab. We're going to click and we're going to grab. Okay, so once that is completed, we're going to delete this orange background. I'm going to adjust the size of this a bit. Going to bring it down. And we're going to adjust the size of the woman. Okay, so we're going to select this gradient. We're going to adjust the color. So we're going to add it to blue. We're going to rotate. Going to adjust the size. Now we're going to duplicate. Now we're going to go to positions. We're going to bring the female to the front. Now we're going to bring the smartphone up. Perfect. Now we're going to add this rounded corner square. We're going to adjust the size. Now let's adjust the size of the female a bit more. Okay, perfect. So we're going to change the color of this square. I'm going to change it to white. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to make this one smaller. Now we're going to change the color. Going to bring it down. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our text. Okay, so we're going to select this uppercase. We're going to change the font and the color of this text. So we're going to use Anton for this one. Now we're going to change the color. Going to change it to this blue. Okay, so let's change this color to pink. Okay, so that one in pink. Now let's duplicate. We're going to add a next text. Now we're going to change this one to blue. We're going to adjust the size. We're going to go to effects. We're going to go to lift. We're going to turn it down to 21. Okay, so now we're going to duplicate this one, and now we're going to add a next text. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.